again to our channel Invest in Bharat Stocks. Now in this channel we are running a series and we are covering about 40 stocks that we think that in coming years they will give you good returns. If you are not subscribed to our channel, please do subscribe and also share this with your friends, relatives who are also interested in share market, so they will also get some knowledge. And if you have any comment, you can write down so we can have some detailed video also. So first subscribe to our channel and also share it with your friends. Now this stock that we are going to discuss, this is about the 8th stock in our 40 stock series, and this company has a strong team of professionals with a decades long experience. This is very important factor, that the management should be very strong. They have unmatched product portfolio and the products are exported to about 42 countries. So their export is also good, and good product range, and also has good branding, good brand portfolio. The annual production capacity is about 50,000 metric tons of jute textiles and products. So this company which we are discussing is from this sector, jute textiles and jute products. So here in this series our principle is to save the capital and increase profits. This is totally education series and we are expressing our views. If you want to take any position, you want to buy the stock, sell the stock, anything, you have to do your own analysis, own study, and you can also take help of your investment advisor, and after that only you take any decision. Now this company possesses a wide range of jute and jute blended products, traditional products such as Hessian, yarn, sacking, etc. Technical products such as geotextiles, agrotextiles, fabric treated for fire, retardancy, microbial attacks, hydrocarbon free jute bags, jute lino fabrics, etc. They have good range in jutes. Lifestyle products such as floor covering, processed decorative, furnishing fabrics, bags made up of jute mats, and also mats. So whatever jute product range that is available here. Now presently we are using jute for different purposes, for decoration also, for fabrics, for bags also, because plastic is not allowed. So the use of jute, that is natural, that is going to increase. And this company has added new technical products, namely laminated jute fabrics, washed jute canvas, coated fabrics for soft luggage, coated molten fabrics, bleached yarns, and non-woven products of certified organic jute. And the company acts as a one-stop shop for all kinds of jute products available in the market. So the company has very good portfolio, and also they have done good branding, and the promoters are well experienced, and after this we will see also that their stake in the company is also more. Financial achievements. The turnover in the year 2019 is 50,928 metric tons, and sales turnover is 49,117.56 lakhs as against 48,758 metric ton and 45,249 lakhs respectively in the previous year. It means that there is financial growth as well as sales growth for the company. The net profit is 4415.35 lakhs, 4415.35 lakhs as compared to 4128.54 lakhs in the before year, in year 2018. Now growth opportunities. Now see, now the young population is there, and in India there is a large number of population that is in the young age, and they can spend and they want quality products, and urbanization is also increasing. So for decoration purpose they can use these jute products. Spending power is also increasing because people are getting money, and there is some group of young people who are earning more and they can spend more for luxury as well as for getting hygienic products. Underpenetrated rural market. Still the jute products are not available in the rural market, so that is untapped. Even the urban area also is not completely tapped, so there is tremendous growth opportunity in this area. Increasing working women, so these women, they will also buy the jute products that are fashionable, and here we are not using plastic because plastic is banned, so the working woman will go for these types of products made of jute. Those are attractive also and natural. And changing shopping habits. So these are the growth opportunities present for these jute products. Now here you can see that the promoter stake is 72.56%. So promoters are confident that the company will grow in coming future. Because of that their stake is more. Banks, financial institutes, LIC, FIIs, they have 19.82% stake. Others and general public 7.62% stake. Price on 19th of June 2020 was 417 rupees. 52 weeks high and low is 1025 and low is 306. So the stock has just come up from the lower level. Number of shares are 5.47 million. Face value is 10 rupees. Dividend is also 10 rupees. 100% dividend the company has paid. Free float is 27.44%. So if you want to take any big position, this is also possible. Market capitalization is 15.58 crores. So this is a small cap company. PE ratio is 4.79. Price to book is 0.23. This is also very good figure. And debt is 0. So this is zero debt company. Because of that, even if there is any turbulence, the company can sustain that turbulence. Now in financial year 2017, net sales was 504 crores. In 18,463 and financial year 19, 501 crores. Operating profit increased from 70 to 84 crores. Again it remained 84 crores. Net profit 34 crores in 2017. In 2018, 41 crores and 2019, 44 crores. There is some stable growth. You can see in financial year 2019 the growth is 1.8% sales growth. So operating profit margin is also good. It is 17% in financial year 19. Now if you see the balance sheet, you can see that the total assets are increasing from 973 crores to 1054 crores in 2019, 973, then 1008 and 1054 crores. So that is also increasing. So the company is in the growth phase. Maybe there will be some turbulences, but since the debt to equity ratio is 0 and promoters have very good stake and FIS also has invested in this company, we hope that the company will do good in the coming future. Now this company is Gloucester Limited. So the company's name is also given and NSE code is Gloucester Limited Ltd, Gloucester Ltd. BSE code is 542351. So you can also do your analysis. You can find more information about the company. And we hope that this company will do better in coming future because of the ban on the plastic products, the changing lifestyle of the people. They want to pay for quality products and their income is also increasing and more urbanization, and because of all these factors we hope that in coming days this company can give us good returns. So as compared to BSE, the stock has underperformed, but in long term, if you see, because 52-week high is nearly 1000 and 52-week low is about 300, and now the stock is about 410 something. It means that the stock has corrected much in the coronavirus pandemic. So there is a good buying opportunity in this stock, and in coming days you can make some good profit. Now whatever we have discussed, these are our opinion. If you want to take any position in this stock, you can do your own analysis. You can take help of your investment advisor, and after that only you take any investment decision. So if you are not subscribed yet, do subscribe to our channel. Again we will meet with next stock in coming days. Up to then, take care.